Welcome to the National Science and Math Quiz. Today we bring you the 10th contest in our 116th stage of competition. The contest is between Mfantsipim School and Asantewaa Senior High School. Welcome back, viewers. Today's contest, the 10th in the 116th stage of competition, is between Mfantsipim School and Asantewaa Senior High School. On my left is Mfantsipim School, represented by
Leslie Akla, final year.
Isaac Ampon, final year.
Alan Soa, final year.
You are very welcome, gentlemen. A little bit about Mfantsipim School. The school is located in Cape Coast. It was established in 1876. The motto is Drain Shekan. And they have participated in the National Science and Math Quiz several times. They want you to know that they have been to the finals a couple of times and they have won once. And they would also like me to stress that they are here to win today. Good luck, Mfantsipim School. On my right is Asantewaa Senior High School, represented by
Actinomorphic, final year.
Christine Darko, final year.
Anita Opon, final year.
You are very welcome, ladies. Now about Asantewaa Senior High School. The school is located at Tanoso, Kumase. It was established in 1960. They have their motto to be love and service. It's a girls' school. They have participated 5 times in the National Science and Math Quiz, and they are also here to win today. Good luck, Asantewaa Senior High School. Now, let's begin our contest. The contest comes to you in 4 rounds. The first round is a round for fundamental concepts. Questions in this round are simple and direct. We expect simple and direct answers. You have 1 attempt in which to answer your question. If you answer correctly, 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, it's passed on for a bonus point. Partial credit is sometimes possible. Let's begin, and we'll start on my left with Mfantsipim School. Your question: differentiate the function y is equal to 5x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x minus 10. Yes, Leslie.
15x squared minus 8x plus 3.
That's right. Asantewaa, your question. Differentiate the function y is equal to 3x squared minus 4 over x squared. Yes, Akosia.
6x plus 8 over s cubed.
That's right. How do we refer to an organic species with a positive charge on carbon?
Carbocation.
A carbocation. How do we refer to an organic species with an unpaired electron in any part of the species? Yes, Christine.
It's a free radical.
That's right. For this next pair of questions, the whole answer must be correct. No partial credit. The whole answer must be correct. Mfantsipim School. Arrange the following in increasing order of thermal conductivity: copper, lead, vacuum, and wood. Yes, Ampon.
Vacuum, wood, lead, and copper.
That's right. Arrange the following in increasing order of electrical resistivity: aluminium, copper, lead, glass. Yes, Akosia.
Copper, aluminium, lead and glass.
That's right. The root cap of plants is made up of which type of cells? Ampon.
Non-living cells.
That's incorrect for a bonus. Christine?
Meristematic cells. Meristematic cells.
No. The right answer is parenchyma. Parenchyma. Your own question. The cork cambium in plants is also referred to as... Yes, Christine?
The protoderm.
That's incorrect for a bonus. Yes, Ampon.
Phylogen.
Yes, it's the phylogen. Your major question. In the triangle ABC, the angle B is twice as large as the angle A, and the angle C measures 20 degrees more than the angle A. Find the measure of angle A. Yes, so what?
40 degrees.
40 degrees. Yes, Asantewaa. In the triangle ABC, the angle A is twice the angle B, and the angle B is thrice the angle C. Find the measure of the angle C. Yes, Akosia.
30 degrees.
That's incorrect for a bonus. Yes, Leslie.
18 degrees.
18 degrees. Your major question. Give the name of the element with the symbol W and spell it. Yes, so what?
Tungsten. Tungsten.
That's right. Yes, Asantewaa. Give the name of the element with symbol TL and spell it. Yes, from Poma.
Thallium. THALLIUM.
That's right. Mfantsipim School. What is the equivalent resistance of 3 resistors connected in parallel if each resistor has resistance of R? Yes, so what?
R squared over 3.
That's incorrect. For a bonus. Yes, Akosia.
R over 3.
That's right. Your own question. What is the equivalent voltage of 3 identical batteries connected in parallel if each battery has EMF E and internal resistance R? Akosia?
E.
For a bonus. So what?
E minus I.
No. The right answer is E. It's the same as the EMF. E. Your major question in Mfantsipim School. Name the 2 partners in mycorrhizal association. Yes, so what?
Fungi and the roots.
Yes. Name the 2 partners that constitute a lichen. Yes, Christine.
Fungi and algae.
That's right. If y varies inversely as x squared and y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 5, find y when x is equal to 2. Yes, Ampon.
25 over 4.
Yes. If y varies directly as x cubed, and y is equal to 1 when x is equal to -2, find x when y is equal to -1. Yes, from Poma.
X is equal to 2.
Yes. Give the color of the precipitate formed when potassium hexacyanoferrate 2 solution is added to iron 3 solution.
Yellow.
Yes, Soa.
Yellow.
No, that's incorrect. For a bonus. Yes, Christine.
Reddish brown.
No. The right answer is dark blue precipitate. Your major question. State your observation when H2S gas is bubbled through a neutral solution of iron 2. Yes, Frempoma.
There will be a black precipitate and hydrogen gas will be evolved.
That's fine. Black precipitate. How is heat transfer by radiation minimized in a Dewar flask? Yes, Ampon.
The two silver walls have shiny surfaces, and so they're able to reflect the heat back, the radiant heat back into the system.
Good. By reflection, that should have been fine. All right. Yes, Asantewaa. What is the function of the vacuum jacket in a Dewar flask? Yes, Christine.
It prevents heat loss by conduction.
2 out of 3. To minimize heat transfer by conduction and convection. Mfantsipim School. In which organ of the human body would one find pyramids? Ampon.
The kidney.
The kidney. In which part of mammals would one find the cornified layer? Yes, Christine.
The skin.
The skin. For the next pair of questions, I'm going to give you an expression. It's actually an equation. Find n. In Mfantsipim School. 3, 4 to the base n is equal to 28 to the base 10. Yes, Ampon.
N is 6.
That's incorrect. For a bonus. Yes, Frempoma.
N is 8.
That's right. Your major question. 57 to the base n is equal to 67 to the base 10. Yes, Akosia.
N is 12.
That's right. Name the bonds between carbon and oxygen in any alkanone.
It's a carbon-oxygen double bond. One is sigma and one is pi.
Yes. Identify the type and number of each type of bond between the carbons in ethyne. Yes, Frempoma.
Ethyne contains triple bond, and the number of carbon atoms is 2.
I can't give this to you. I'm passing this on for a bonus. Ampon.
One is sigma and 2 are pi.
That's right. Your major question. Name the terminals of a bipolar junction transistor.
The emitter the base and the collector.
That's right. For your question, I need the right order. I will not give partial credit. Arrange the parts of the bipolar transistor in increasing order of physical size. Yes, Akosia?
The collector, emitter, and the base.
That's incorrect. For bonus. Yes, so what?
The base, the collector, and the emitter.
That's incorrect. The right answer is base, emitter, and collector in that order. Your own question and last pair of questions for the round. In herbivores, the large gap between the front and the cheek teeth is known as, yes, Ampon?
The diastema.
That's right. Asantewaa. The incisors of rabbits are described as having open roots. Explain the statement. Yes, Akosia.
This is because they continue to grow throughout the life of the organism.
That's right. That's the end of the first round. At the end of the first round, Asantewaa Senior High School has 34 points. Mfantsipim School has 39 points. Very well done, contestants. Let's move to round 2. Round 2 is our problem of the day. In this round, you will have a single question to solve. You have 3 minutes in which to provide a single answer from your school. Okay? The problem of the day is worth 10 points. Let's turn over our sheets and read the problem of the day together. Problem of the day. A chromatographic experiment is to be performed to separate a solid mixture of 2 differently colored compounds. The solids are only slightly soluble in petroleum ether, but very soluble in chloroform. A column has been prepared for you. This is a glass tube containing the adsorbent in petroleum ether. Describe exactly how you would proceed to perform the experiment and separate the mixture. Contestants, this is your problem of the day. You may begin. Contestants, please take your answers and present them on the boards. The contestants have presented their answers. Before we award the marks, let's look at the ideal solution from our consultants. This is the procedure to be followed to separate a solid mixture of 2 differently colored compounds using a chromatographic column. First, weigh the desired amount of the solid mixture. Next, dissolve it in the minimum volume of chloroform. Then drain the column until the solvent level drops to the level of the adsorbent. Using a pastel pipette, transfer the concentrated chloroform solution to the top of the column. Let the solution drain to the level of the adsorbent. Add petroleum ether and collect the eluent at the rate of about a drop per second. When the two colors are separated, increase the polarity of the solvent eluent and collect 5 or 10 centimeter cubed fractions. Combine the fractions of the same color. Then distill off most of the solvent and leave concentrated solutions in the fridge to crystallize. If you don't want to do that, what you can do is to distill off all the solvents and combine the residues of the same color and recrystallize the residues in a suitable solvent. This is the ideal solution from our consultants. Now, contestants, have you seen a chromatographic column before? No. Have you? Mfantsipim School, have you? No. It was obvious that they had not seen this equipment before. Asantewaa Senior High School. Ladies, you didn't even address the problem. You decided to do a different experiment. You use paper, chromatographic paper, rather than the column that you are provided. And so, for the effort, let's give you 1 point. In Mfantsipim School, the only thing I recognized of relevance was that you wanted to dissolve the solids in chloroform. That's true. It has to be dissolved in chloroform. Everything else... Chemistry teachers, we need help. All right. So we'll give you 2 out of 10. 2. That's the end of the problem of the day and the end of round 2. Let's begin round 3. In this round, I'm going to be throwing statements to the schools. When you receive your statement, please consider it carefully and let me know whether the statement is true or false. If you answer correctly, 2 points. If your answer is incorrect, it's very, very costly. It will cost you a precious point from scores you have already accumulated. So be careful with your answer. You may choose not to respond, in which case the statement will be passed on to the opposing school for the benefit of the full 2 points. Good luck, and let's begin this time on my right with Asantewaa Senior High School. Your statement. An equilateral quadrilateral is equiangular. Yes, Akosia.
It's true.
No. An example will be a rhombus. 2 lines that are parallel to a third line must be parallel to each other. Yes,
True.
or what?
True.
Yes. Some triangles have 2 obtuse angles. Yes, Frempoma.
It's false.
It's false. A rhombus is a parallelogram.
True.
Yes, that's true. Enzymes can catalyze only specific reactions. Yes, Frempoma.
True.
Yes. Actinomorphic flowers are bilaterally symmetrical. So what?
False.
False. Bacteria are much smaller than viruses. Yes, Akosia.
It's false.
It's false. Poliomyelitis and measles are caused by bacteria. So what?
False.
Yes. Asantewaa. Ammonia gas can be collected by downward displacement of air. Yes, Frampoma.
It's true.
Yes. Mfantsipim. Hydrogen chloride gas can be collected by upward displacement of air. Yes or what?
True.
Yes. Gamma rays have high penetrating power and high ionizing power. Yes, Akosia.
It's false.
It's false. Alpha particles have high ionizing power. Yes, Soa.
True.
Yes. An object is in equilibrium only if no forces act on it. Yes, Akosia.
It's false.
It's false. An object moving with constant speed around a circle is in a state of dynamic equilibrium.
False.
So what?
False.
Yes, false. Last pair of statements. Last pair of statements. The orbital period of an Earth satellite in a geostationary orbit is 1 day. Yes, Akosia.
It's true.
Yes. The escape velocity on the surface of the moon equals the escape velocity on the surface of the Earth. So what?
False.
False. Very well done, contestants. That's the end of the third round. At the end of the third round, Asantewaa Senior High School has 48 points. Mfantsipim School has 57 points. Final round. In this round, I'm going to ask the schools to solve riddles. I will read out the clues. If you're able to solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. If you solve it on the second clue, 4 points. And if you solve it on the third or any clue after that, 3 points. In order to solve a riddle, you have to alert me. You do so by ringing your bell. May I hear your bell in Mfantsipim School? Thank you. And yours, Asantewaa. Thank you very much. When you ring the bell, it means you have an answer ready. There are 4 riddles in all. Let's start. I have a linguistic association with a polytechnic. I am a solid with polygonal faces. With me, 2 intersecting faces end up in an edge or side. Examples of me are cube. Yes, Mfantsipim.
Prism.
That's incorrect. Examples of me are cube, cuboid, pyramid, and prism. You can say I am the union of vertices, edges, and polygonal faces. Who am I? Yes, Akosia.
A plane figure.
No. Anybody wishing to attempt this one? Yes.
A polyhedron.
That's right. Well done. Next riddle. I am associated with an electromagnetic phenomenon. I am important enough to be a separate law of nature, and I am named for a physicist of old. Wherever you find changing magnetic fields, there you can find me. I describe the direction of the electromagnetic phenomenon which accompanies changing magnetic fields. So who am I? Yes,
Induction.
no. Yes.
Magnetic flux.
No. Anyone in the audience who wants this one? Yes.
Lenz's law.
That's right. Good job. Next riddle. I am one of the youngest of the biological sciences. As a science, I originated about a generation before my significance became appreciated in the scientific community as a whole. I became fully developed after the details of meiosis and mitosis became understood. Yes.
Genetics.
Genetics. They solved the riddle on the third clue, 3 points. Final riddle. I am a heavy silvery white metal, slightly softer than steel. When I am finely divided, I am attacked by water. Generally, I dissolve in acids, but I am not affected by alkali. I have as many as 14 isotopes, which are all radioactive. My most abundant isotope has a half-life of 4,500 million years.
Uranium.
Uranium is right. They solved that riddle on the fifth clue, 3 points. That's the end of round 4. At the end of the contest, the final scores are Asantewaa Senior High School, 48 points. Mfantsipim School, 63 points. Asantewaa Senior High School, thank you very much for being here. We enjoyed having you. Unfortunately, we have to say goodbye at this stage. Best wishes in everything you do. Mfantsipim School, congratulations on winning the contest. You have a place in the next stage of competition, and I shall look forward to seeing you then. Best wishes. Viewers, thank you for joining us for this very exciting contest. We are not yet done. We are still in the 116 stage of competition, which will bring us Prempeh College and Accra Academy next time. I am looking forward to that contest, and I hope you are too. For now, thank you for joining us, and see you next time. Goodbye.